Well, hello everybody. In this tutorial we will learn how to install packages in Emacs. To start, open your .emacs file using metarex then type .emacs. We want to include the Melpa package repository so we can install more software. Copy this code into your .emacs and save with Ctrl+X Ctrl+S. Now we can open the package manager using metarex package list packages. All the packages are listed here and you can search for packages using Ctrl+S. We will install the 2048 game, so move your cursor to this package. Press I to mark for install and X to execute all your marked packages. Press Y to install. We can see that it has been installed by searching for it again. The status of the package is now installed. Now that it is installed, we can start the game with metarex 2048 game. This is how you install packages inside of Emacs.